October the 20th. Gospel Extravaganza, Explosion Crusaders, 3rd Annual. Get ready, October the 20th. One Accord, JD Gospel Singers, Uriah, Alabama. There's the Alabama Boys. The Gospel Explosion, coming to Coastal College in the Alabama Boys. Jesus, you brought me all the way with the Flying Clouds and others.
Jesus, you brought me all the way. Lord, you carried my
Wainwright Male Course, Wainwright, Alabama. Get your tickets, get your tickets, get your tickets.
Jesus, you brought me all the way.
Others on the ticket with the Alabama Boys. One Accord out of Camden, Alabama. York Chapel out of Franklin, Alabama. The JD Gospel Singers out of Uriah, Alabama. The Flying Clouds out of Edinburgh, Alabama. As well as the Wainwright Male Course.
Wonderful Savior, you are each and every day. I tell you, Jesus.
Right here in Camden, Alabama, One Accord Singers.
All the way. All the way. Lord.
The Gospel Explosion Crusaders, 3rd Annual Gospel Explosion Extravaganza, Saturday, October the 20th, 2018, 5 p.m., Coastal Alabama Community College, 2800 Alabama Avenue, Monroe, Alabama. The MC was Mr. Robert Rankin Jr., featuring the Alabama Boys, One Accord of Camden, Alabama, York Chapel, Franklin, Alabama, JD Gospel Singers, Uriah, Alabama, the Flying Clouds out of Edinburgh, Alabama, and the Wainwright Male Chorus. Don't you want to miss it? You do not want to miss it. You do not want to miss this. The Alabama Boys out of Montgomery, Alabama. Headlining the 3rd Annual Gospel Explosion Extravaganza, Saturday, October the 20th, 2018. Get your tickets. Adult tickets are just $15. They're $20 at the door. Youth tickets are just $10. Children 5 and under are free. For additional information, you can contact Minister Mary Fox at 919-358-4995. Sister Nanny R. Williams. Sister Nanny R. Williams at 251-583-8080. Sister Margaret Watson at 251-361-4643. Evangelist Rosalind Horn, 251-282-4218. Sister Martha Johnson, 251-714-6363. The phone is ringing off the hook. Get your tickets, get your tickets.
Sometime soon, it had me all, yes it does.